Hello coffee lover. Today, let's unpack the Godmorn stainless steel stovetop espresso coffee maker and put it to the test. I'll also show you how to use the Moka Pot and make your own coffee. Last time we unpacked the coffee grinder and grind some coffee beans. Today we'll brew it. This stovetop espresso maker is also called an Italian coffee maker, Moka Pot, or a coffee percolator. What is it called in your country? A coffee maker pot like this costs between $25 and $35, depending on how big you want it to be. It comes with a Moka Pot and a manual. This time it is advisable to read the manual to get the best coffee. The Moka Pot consists of 3 big parts: the bottom chamber for water, filter for perfect coffee grind, and the top chamber for coffee. Making coffee with a Moka Pot is quite easy. Pour water into. Do not exceed the safety valve. Lay the coffee powder flat on the funnel. Seal it, and place the Moka Pot on the stove and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, when the water starts to boil. There are different options to get the flavor you want. What a smell is coming from here, divine. Take your favorite coffee mug and fill it with this fresh and divine smelling coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, so we can meet you in another equally delicious video. If you have a question or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments section below this video. Thank you and have a delicious coffee.